I'm Jen and welcome to my studio, and today we're going to be doing a holiday themed technique exercise. So this is one that I love to bring to my classes during like the couple of holidays, like the holiday weeks leading up to like the break, because it's just a fun time. Might as well use some holiday music, some Christmas music, some Hanukkah music, some any music. So today we're going to be doing Jingle Bells. And it's a shuffle exercise, a Shuffle En Croix exercise to Jingle Bells. Now this is geared right now toward like beginner intermediate, but if you up the tempo, it gets advanced pretty quickly. So without any further talking from me, let's get started. All right, so it starts with 2 shuffles and a step, and it goes front, front, side, side, back, back. So you have 2 front, 2 side, 2 back. So you've got 1 and 2 and 3, 5 and 6 and 7. 1 and 2 and 3, 5 and 6 and 7. 1 and 2 and 3, 5 and 6 and 7. So front, front, side, side, back, back. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, hold 4. 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. 1 and 2 and 3, hold 4. 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. 1 and 2 and 3, hold 4. 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. Then, you only have this on the right side because it's going to switch us to the left and we'll do it again. So you have all of that, and then this break you only have on the right. It's front, side, back, side, front, side, step. So you go around, and then back to side, then front side, and then you step. Now, there are variations of this that you can do that I'll tell you in a second, but let's like just go through that again. Front, side, back, side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then front, side again, step. So front, side, back, side, front, side, step. Let's try it. Just that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Sorry, I forgot to step. And then at the last second I was like, right, there's a step. So it's a little quick. So it's intermediate for sure. You can also change the directions of this break to make it a little easier if like you're teaching it to students that are more beginner. You can make it a little easier by going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 front, 2 side, and a step, so you don't have them going all the way around. It's just a cute little exercise, and it fits the Jingle Bell song. So front, side, back, side, front, side, step. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Front, side, back, side, front, side, step. Yes? Okay, so let's try front, front, side, side, back, back, side, side, front, side, back, side, front, side, step. It's basically en croix and then the break. That's really all it is. All right, ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3. 5 and 6 and 7. 1 and 2 and 3. 5 and 6 and 7. 1 and 2 and 3. 5 and 6 and 7. Front, side, back, side, front, side. Yes, kind of? All right, let's try it again. I'm sitting here wondering if I said it correctly before we just did it. I don't know that I did. But do as I just did, maybe not as I said. I can't remember if I said it correctly. All right, one more time, and then we'll try it on the left, because as soon as you step, we're on the left. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, hold 4. 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. 1 and 2 and 3, hold 4. 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. 1 and 2 and 3, hold 4. 5 and 6 and 7, hold 8. Front, side, back, side, front, side, side. Good. So, left side, same exact thing. It's just you start on the left. And then the break. Front, side, back, side, front, side, side. So it's just the exact same break with the left legs. For some of us, it's our awkward leg, but do your best. Also, ideally, all the steps would be up on your toes, but for balance purposes for the video, it's just easier for me to be flat-footed because, you know, That's a long time to hold your balance, and I don't want to have to do any like extra retakes because I fell. So the idea is that you want to be up on your toes the whole time. It's a good exercise for the students when they're at bar, just because they have that balance. Or, sorry. But you know what I mean, you want to be up here. And then it's a good challenge for the advanced students to be up there the whole time. And it's a lot easier the faster you go. So since I'm showing it kind of slowly, I'm gonna be flat-footed for the video, but ideally, you are up in pop position. You're up on those toes the whole time. Your heels should not be on the floor at all. All right, so left side one more time, and then we'll try the whole thing, and then we'll do it to music. Cool, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right. On the left. Kind of? Okay, both sides, then we'll try it with music. Also, sorry, the longest flight ever is happening over my house, currently. All right, from the right to the left. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. Side. Back. Break. Left side. All the airplanes. All of them at once. I don't know if you guys can actually hear it, but it's like super loud. Y'all! All right, let's try it with music and see if we can drown it out. Like, I think they're just like circling the house. Wait. Bento, do you hear that? He's like, yes, Mom, I hear that. All right, let's give it a shot. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Side, it doesn't quite fit the song perfectly. That's okay. That's okay. It just helps us train our musical brains. So let's try it again just to make sure we got it. And then there's the step tutorial, or not step tutorial, the technique exercise. And more airplanes. There's more airplanes. All right, so let's try it one more time. Have some fun with it, all right? 5, 6, 7, front. Exercise. It's a super fun one to bring to your students, and I really like it because like I can even feel my left foot is way stiffer than my right foot today. So like I know I'm going to be bringing this to my class tonight so that I can practice too, because like I can just feel my left foot is so stiff. This really gives you a good sense of which foot is a little bit more honed and which foot needs a little bit more work when it comes to shuffles, because you want to be in control, but you also want to be loose. You know, my left foot is super stiff doing these. And so that taught me something about myself, that I need to go, okay, I need to loosen up this left foot. Maybe I need to do some ankle stretches with it. It doesn't surprise me that my left foot is a little tighter because I've been having some left knee issues lately. So it doesn't surprise me, but it's still me going, yeah, I need to fix that. So it's a good exercise to learn what needs to be worked on, but also to work on evenness of sound with shuffles, directional shuffles, all kinds of stuff. I hope you guys really enjoyed this one. And again, it totally fits Jingle Bells, which is so much fun. I love being able to do holiday themed tutorials, so I hope you guys had a lot of fun with this one. Right, Bento? Right? Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Bento. That's my Bento voice. I love using that voice with him for some reason. But yeah, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the Tap fam. We have way more than airplanes circling my house and cat interruptions. We have tap dance videos. And it's all free tap dance tutorials for you guys to learn steps, technique exercises, choreography just for fun. There are vlogs, there are challenges, all kinds of stuff on this channel, all free tap dance resources for you. So make sure you subscribe, hit that thumbs up because we made it through with only one major sound interruption. My neighbors are always doing yard work. If you've been on this channel for a while, you know my neighbors are like constantly doing yard work. I actually had there was a Halloween block party the other day. I filmed really early for the holidays, so like Halloween was a couple days ago. There was a Halloween block party the other day, and I was talking to the neighbors, and I'm just like, so do y'all have like a rotating schedule of yard work? And they're like, what do you mean? And I'm like, y'all don't notice that it's just like every hour on clockwork? And they're like, you know what? You might be right. I'm like, I know. So it was really, really funny. But anyway, I hope you're having a wonderful holiday season. And as always, thank you for dancing with me. Also, don't forget to hit the thumbs up.